another video. As you see, we are in our extension tower and we are keeping going with the bottom floor. We are having nice and warm temperatures in here, but the biggest cause of cold, looking through the heat camera, is the windows. Of course, the glass, nothing we can do. Double glazed glass is already pretty good. Would be nice to have triple glazed, but that's a real big premium and those are really not cheap. But these wood frames are really skinny and they just drag the cold in and the heat out. And also there is air gaps around them. So what we're going to focus on is insulating all around frames here. So let's get started. First, stain the wood, so if there's any condensation, we don't damage the wood and it's able to prevent any molding.
You see how much more different it looks on unplaned wood? That's what I got scared is going to happen outside. But this one's not going to be visible, so we don't care. It's going to get all insulated.
Yeah, this is just to protect the wood.
Yeah. Look, this one that is planed, how differently it looks. Huh?
I wish we did the frames of the windows pre-stained.
Like some of you said, yeah.
Yeah, of course, a lot of you suggested it, but we were such rush on all the jobs to even get this thing built in one summer.
So next time we make windows, we're definitely gonna pre-stain it.
Yeah, just stain the wood and then assemble the windows.
Yeah.
we have finished staining it. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And now we have to remove the tape, quickly clean the windows, and then we can silicone around the windows. Probably have to wait for it to dry a bit, but then after we can do it. But let's first remove it, so if there's anything got on the glass, we can quickly wipe it off and clean it. So let's get started and remove the tape.
It feels such a waste of tape.
But
then you would have to waste all of that in paper and be extremely careful.
It serves its purpose.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, that's what it's meant to do. I don't know. How did you do that?
It attacked me.
Beautiful.
So it's the next day, everything's all nice and dry, it's all soaked in nicely, and we got the tape. So we are finally able to tape around the windows here to prevent the cold from coming in, and then we also need to silicone around the windows just to prevent all the water from going in, and also it does leak a bit of air around because what we glued together the windows, it didn't seal perfectly, so we do always have to go around and reseal the outside. So let's get started and tape all around.
Careful, sorry. That's how sticky it is, that when it sticks on the sides. Like, even the sides are ultra sticky.
They're super sticky.
I have lost few hair on it.
We're actually more than halfway through the roll. So
This whole project has been a pricey one. We have bought like 6 rolls of this thing.
it ain't cheap.
And they're 18 euros each. I mean, they are cheaper than others.
Yeah, the American branded Tyvek is much more expensive.
But it's kind of the same thing.
This is German made. Then there's also China made. That one's a lot cheaper, but that one's a lot less stickier.
Yeah. Like, I feel like it's really good tape.
Yeah, no, for its price as well. It sticks to any surface, which is an insane benefit.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
The
Like,
wood is one of the hardest things to stick to.
especially
It sticks like no
non-plain.
problem. Yeah, this one rough.
It's like, usually you don't really get anything that sticks on wood. And that's just like, really nice.
Yeah.
I really like that tape. As expensive as it is,
It's worth it because it
It's
seals
worth
it
it.
in.
yeah. Are we gonna have like barely enough? Like enough, but like we used up quite a good amount of roll. That was a new roll that we just started. So our windows all together and door are 20 meters.
Maybe, yeah.
Roughly, if that's like 5 left in here.
Could be, yeah, 5 left.
Looks like 5. And we're finally done with the tape.
So we have taped all the windows. It looks really great. And now the wind barrier, the one we're putting on the inside, well, it's more like an air barrier to stop the hot air from flowing to the outside wall. And now it's all sealed. It's unable to get through the insulation to the outside. So I think it's going to be nice and airtight, and we're not losing any heat anymore. We don't need to worry. Now, last thing is the windows. It might seem like a bit of a waste for some of you maybe to tape all this and why to waste so much money on it. But we want to start doing our projects more better each time we're learning and getting advanced and better. So we are building more permanent structures, more longer lasting buildings. Currently this room is really nice and warm. You don't hear wind. It's no movement in it. It's nice and square. We have done a really good job. But I feel like next time we're going to do even better. I think every time we need to improve and achieve better level of skill. But I think for now what we have achieved with the little years of experience, we are doing pretty good. So let's get started and do these window surroundings all around with silicone. We're going to do like hermetic silicone thingy, really strong one.
That you said you had a tool. I did not think that the tool is your finger.
No, I have a tool, but...
Somewhere in the barn. Stupid fly, where do you come from?
So as you can see, we are done. I love the brown color, and now also the windows have sealant all around them. So the water was coming in from the bottoms, it was soaking in on the back and coming in from the other side, which means we probably didn't put enough silicone in between, but also it kind of penetrates through the wood. We also have not impregnated from outside. As you saw, the weather came quite harshly, so we didn't get a chance to impregnate the outside window frames. And also we need to seal the outside window frames. So once the weather clears up, which is already melting outside, we are going to be able to do the same thing on the outside and have it sealed also upstairs as well. So also water doesn't come through and destroy the window frames. And it's also creating a lot of draft. Currently we do seal the draft part away. But on the windows we do want water to stay away from it and not to expand the wood and contract it a lot. Because that's going to create it to crack and also not really healthy for the window frames to be expanding. Like this, if we impregnate it, it does have wax in it, which kind of repels the water. When you see it flowing off, it kind of like doesn't want to even go into the wood, which is what an impregrator is supposed to do. This one's just a full natural one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And we're going to see in the next one where we'll get on with the walls and the framing for the walls up here. It's going to go like a little frame in front of it. So see you next time.
And for the other side, when we do the outside, we need to get an electric silicone gun.
Yeah, because this stuff doesn't come out as fast as a sanitary one. The one for bathroom comes out super easy. It's super soft. This stuff is really hard, but it also is really hard to remove once it's dry.
Yeah, so we gotta invest in an electric one.
As soon as possible.